How does Dracula, 1931, use sound? Imagine stepping into a dark, eerie castle where every creak and whisper sends chills down your spine. In Dracula, from 1931, sound plays a vital role in creating that haunting atmosphere. This film marks a significant moment in cinema history, bridging the gap between silent films and the era of sound. One of the most striking features of sound in Dracula is its minimal dialogue. The spoken words are few and far between, delivered at a slow pace. This deliberate choice adds to the character's hypnotic and menacing presence. The thick Hungarian accent of the lead actor enhances the tension, making every word feel heavy with meaning. The sparse dialogue emphasizes silence, allowing the audience to feel the weight of the moment. The music in Dracula is another key element. Due to budget constraints, the film does not have a dedicated score. Instead, it uses excerpts from classical pieces. For instance, Tchaikovsky's Swan Lake plays during the opening credits, setting a dramatic tone. Wagner's Die Meistersinger von Nürnberg appears in a theater scene, enhancing the film's ominous feel. These musical cues are carefully chosen to elevate the tension without overshadowing the visuals or dialogue. Sound effects in Dracula also play a crucial role. The film uses realistic sounds to reinforce its supernatural themes. For example, when the character transforms into a bat, the audience hears squeaks that enhance the eerie atmosphere. Off-screen howls of werewolves add to the tension during critical moments. These effects are subtle yet effective, maintaining the film's unsettling mood. Silence is a powerful tool in Dracula. The film often features long stretches of quiet, building anticipation and tension. This minimalist approach to sound design creates a psychological effect. The audience finds themselves on edge, waiting for something to happen. When sound does occur, it feels more impactful, heightening the overall suspense. The technical limitations of early sound technology also influence the film's sound design. As one of the first sound films, Dracula reflects the experimental nature of sound in cinema at that time. The director, more familiar with silent films, relied heavily on visual storytelling. This results in a soundscape that feels sparse but carefully crafted to support the horror mood. In summary, Dracula, from 1931, uses sound in a strategic and restrained manner. The limited dialogue, selective classical music, subtle sound effects, and significant use of silence all contribute to an unsettling and suspenseful experience. This approach was innovative for its time and continues to influence classic horror film analysis today.